In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Assignee field not showing the right users in Jira. If you're trying to assign an issue and the person you need simply doesn't appear in the Assignee list, the problem is usually tied to access, permissions, roles, or field settings. So in this walkthrough, we'll go through the most common places to check and make sure everything is set up correctly. First, open your Jira project and go to Project Settings, then People. Here, check whether the missing user is actually listed in the project. If they're not there, click Add People and add them to the project. This is an important first check because if someone doesn't have project access, they often won't appear as an available assignee. Next, stay in the project settings and open permissions. Look for the permissions called Assign Issues and Assignable User. These control whether a user can be assigned issues in that project. Make sure the missing user has the proper permission. If that permission isn't available to them, you may need to ask a Jira administrator to update the project's permission scheme. After that, go to Jira Settings and then User Management. Search for the user and confirm that their account is active, not suspended, and added to the correct groups. Even if someone exists in Jira, an inactive or incorrectly grouped account can prevent them from appearing in the assignee field. Then go back to Project Settings and open People again to confirm the user's project role. Depending on how Jira is configured, only users in certain roles such as developer, then team member, or project user may be shown as assignable. If the user has the wrong role, that can explain why they're missing. Now check the issue type settings. Go to Jira Settings, then Issues, and open Issue Type Schemes. Confirm that the issue type you're working with is available in the project. Also make sure the Assignee field is enabled for that specific issue type, since field behavior can vary depending on the project setup. Next, still under Jira Settings and Issues, open Field Configurations. Find the field configuration used by the project and verify that the assignee field is not hidden. If it's hidden there, users may not be able to assign issues properly. You should also review the assignable users rules in project settings under permissions. Look closely at any restrictions controlling who can be assigned issues and remove restrictions if they're too limited. Finally, refresh Jira's user search. Log out of Jira, clear your browser cache, log back in, and try assigning the issue again. Sometimes the setup is already correct, but cached data prevents the user list from updating. Once you've checked each of these areas, the missing user should start appearing correctly in the assignee field.